Hi everyone, I created this piece earlier in the year. My boss obviously helped set up the shot. We used Pixel Stick for the background. It is all done in camera. Well, the flames are all done in camera. Everything you're seeing now is all Photoshop. And he wanted to see what I could do with it and take it further in terms of a concept for an ad. So yeah, I've thrown it into Photoshop. You've just seen me process the raw photo. I'm now making my selection around the bottle as I want to bring this out of the background because I need to add some reflections to the bottle. I need to put some, let's say, objects behind the bottle. I just need it separated. So here I am just using the pen tool, which is just a personal preference. There are so many ways you can select objects. I just find this way very therapeutic, especially if I'm doing my own work. I am literally just clicking and drawing around a bottle. Absolutely love it. There isn't actually Kraken in this bottle. I busted the bottle lid on the day I was supposed to bring it in, so my Kraken is currently in an empty, was empty, Aldi rum bottle. The version of Captain Morgan's, let's say, which is equally as tasty. My Kraken's currently in there. What you see in this bottle is tea, which did help a little bit because Kraken rum itself is quite dark and we needed the light to come through. Obviously I'm going to darken it in post so it has more of the look of Kraken, but yeah, we'll work with tea for this. So with that said, I'm just going to let the video play out because a lot of this stuff is just basic Photoshop work. I'm using stock images, bringing it in, selections. You will see me use the pen tool throughout the entire thing, and playing around with layer masks. That is literally the extent of this. In later videos I may go into this bit by bit, but as always most of my tutorial videos will be based on Affinity Photo, not Photoshop, unfortunately. Well, for now anyway. So there you have it. There is the final concept, fully complete. If I could shoot this again, I would do a lot of the lighting in camera, as well as the water, and have it interacting with the watery base. But other than that, I'm really happy with how this turned out. It was a lot of fun to work on, and it really got my brain going, which is rare these days. So yeah, see you guys next time.